Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 2 multiplayer not launching so you can join online matches without errors or freezing. First, restart your PC because temporary network or system glitches can stop multiplayer from starting. Next, make sure Steam or your game launcher is fully updated and running properly. After that, verify the game files to repair any missing or corrupted multiplayer data. You should also run the game as administrator to avoid permission issues. Another important step is to disable antivirus or firewall temporarily, or add the game as an exception because it can block multiplayer services. Also, check your internet connection and switch to a stable wired connection if possible. Make sure your game is not using any broken mods or custom files that can break multiplayer. Finally, restart your PC and launch multiplayer again, and it should work normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.